Hi.
Positive. Hello, sir. I got good news.
Tonian,
Yes, Bubbles.
are you firing shot there?
I rook my fire for quick. Him dead?
When you get this voice note, don't even sit down, just come straight to the house.